This electric cardboard cutter was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and actually cutting a box with it so you can see how it performs. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside you get the cutter along with 2 spare blades, which is really nice to have included. Right away, the first thing I noticed is how compact and easy to handle it is. It's cordless, so you're not dealing with any wires while you're using it, which makes a big difference. It also has an LED display, so you can easily see your battery level and settings. This cutter has multiple speed settings, so you can adjust it depending on what you're cutting. In the video, I go ahead and cut a cardboard box with it so you can see how it actually performs. And one thing I want to mention, I've used a different brand of electric cutter before, and this one has so much more power. You can really tell the difference right away. It cuts through the cardboard smoothly without struggling or getting stuck. It feels like it's doing the work for you instead of you having to force it through. The blade movement is consistent, and it just makes the whole process a lot easier compared to using a regular box cutter. Even with that extra power, it's still lightweight and easy to control, which makes it really comfortable to use. In the video, you can see both the unboxing and the real use cutting through the box, so you get a good idea of how it works.